Hi, and thank you for joining us for this week's Crafternoon here at the Coronado Public Library. I'm Jacqueline Luna, your Adult Services Librarian, and for this week we'll be making spring banners. If you weren't able to pick up a kit, all you'll need to participate is some cardstock, cutout letters, some string, and some glue. Let's get started. In your kit, you should have 12 pieces of cardstock that are already hole punched. You should have letters that spell out Hello Spring, and a piece of string, as well as a small envelope of glitter. So, to start, what we'll do is if you want to have yours cut in a pendant style, we'll start with that. And that means we're just going to cut the bottom triangle off. And the easiest way to do that is to grab a pencil and a ruler and find the middle of your thing, put it right here, and then simply draw up to that. And then cut out your pendant. So we'll do this, and then we'll go ahead and do the same thing for all of our pendant, 12 of our pieces of paper. Okay, so now we've cut out all 12 of our pieces into a nice pendant style. We're going to put this to the side, and we're going to start by gluing our letters onto our pendants. So just using regular glue here works pretty well. Okay, now if you want to add glitter, this is a great time to do it. I'm only going to put it on my first and my last letters, but then I'm going to go ahead and add as much glue as I can, because you want to make sure this gets nicely covered. So now we're going to set this aside, and we're going to go ahead and glue all of the rest of our letters onto our papers. Now that we have all of our letters glued onto our paper, go ahead and make sure they're put in order. And if you have the spacer right here, you can add your foam shapes to that if you'd like. Now we're going to go ahead and we're just going to grab our string, and we're going to start threading. So make sure you are threading so that your letters will all come through in order. Once all of your letters are all hung up on your string, you are all set to go to hang it up to enjoy. Thank you so much for joining us for another Crafternoon here at the Coronado Public Library. Have a great day.